In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover a YouTube channel via the Google One support. So let's just get straight into the video. So in order to go ahead and recover using Google One support, you must first secure your Google account, which may involve using specialized recovery tools. Simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and look for this site. So r.google/recover, or if you don't find that, you can simply go ahead and search for Google account recovery, just like that. Click on the link right over here, and now what you want to do is simply go ahead and enter your email right over here. Click on next, and it will give you a couple of ways you can go ahead and recover. So for example, it will send you an email on your recovery email, send you a verification code to the recovery phone number, and so on. Once you've done that, if it is for your old channel, so for example, if you used a username to sign in pre-2009, you can claim your channel by visiting this link, which is going to be youtube.com/GAIA_LINK. So if you search that, you can simply go ahead and enter your username and password and simply go ahead and click on claim channel. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.